Here we have a good 30 feet of snow. That's Jack and Alfred. Run around so he chases you. I can't come here. It's 3 feet of snow. I've got my slippers on.
Whoa.
Jack is finding more in glory seeds. You love that baby? You love that Jack. Oh, he's so cute. Look how cute he is. He's happy because Piedmont can't jump over that fence. He knows he's not supposed to be in there. That's a snow pup, alright. Snow pup and his boy. It's very pretty. Very pretty today. What are you doing? He likes that. He wants you to throw more.